Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you change the country and region in the Apple Music application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find three dots. Press on it and here you should press on the second option, which is account. After you have done that, you will see here the subscriptions category and you should select the third option there, which is country and region. Press on it and wait until the new page appears. After that is done, you should just press on change country or region. And here you will see a long list with countries, so you have quite an option. More than likely you're going to find your country here in this list. All you have to do is just press on the specific country, for example Austria, and after that you wait a little bit. You have to accept some conditions, just press agree. And here you have to add basically credit or debit card information, or you can just use another option, for example like mobile phone. You just enter there your mobile phone. You can see you can write in the first name and surname, the street number and everything, the street name, street number I mean, the postcode, the city, and yeah, once again the phone number. And after that just press next and then you can change basically the country. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.